In this video, I'll show you the best tool to humanize any AI generated text and bypass any AI detector. If you are using AI like ChatGPT to write your essays, then pay close attention because there are a lot of AI detectors like ZeroGPT, Turnitin, Originality AI that can easily detect AI content in your essay or test. But no worries, I found a solution for you: BypassGPT. BypassGPT is a tool you can use to detect AI in your text as well as humanize your text and make it plagiarism-free just in a single click. Let's try it out. One interesting feature about BypassGPT is that it's an all-in-one AI detector tool. This means that it can detect whether your text is AI generated and provide detection reports from various AI detectors with just one click. So you don't have to check all the AI detectors individually. You can do everything in BypassGPT. I think that is quite an advantage. To try out how BypassGPT can help us humanize our text, the first thing we're going to do is head over to ChatGPT and we are going to create a letter of motivation right here. So I'm just going to type in generate a 500 words letter of motivation for Chevening scholarship, and we are going to hit on the generate button and let's see what we get. So right here we have a letter of motivation generating. Right now I'm just going to copy this and let's go over to BypassGPT. So right here I'm just going to paste my text in BypassGPT, and if you come down right here you can see check for AI. So we can check if our text contains AI, and then we can also see to the right hand side humanize. So first we want to check for AI. So BypassGPT is very interesting because you can check and also at the same time humanize your text. So let's click on check for AI and it's going to analyze our text. It's checking. You can see the results down here. Your input content is very likely AI generated, and I think that is very bad for you if you are applying for a scholarship or if you are writing an essay. And down here you can also see that our text did not pass other AI detector tools like GPT-0, CopyLeaks, and even ZeroGPT. Now comes the magic of BypassGPT. So what you just need to do is click on Humanize. So I'm going to click on Humanize right here, and you can see it is working on our text right now and humanizing the text. To the right hand side you can see the humanized text, and also it has run a check for this humanized text, and you can see the output content seems to be human written and it has passed all the AI content detectors. So guys, let's make this more fun. I'm going to try this out in the AI detectors website by myself. So what I'm going to do is try out the test to the left, which is ChatGPT generated, and then also try out the test to the right, which has been humanized by BypassGPT. So first, let's copy this test from ChatGPT, which was from ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to head over to GPT-0. So right here at GPT-0, I'm going to paste the test which we got from ChatGPT directly, and then I'm going to click on run scan and let's see what we get. So it's running the scan and you can see right here it is 100% AI generated. Highly confident that this is 100% AI generated, 0% human input right here. So let's go back to BypassGPT and take the test to the right hand side, which has been humanized by BypassGPT. I'm going to copy this and head over to GPT-0 as well. And then I'm going to click on run scan and let's see what we get. So it is running and we can see right here we have just 5% probability of AI generated content. This is 95% human, and I think that is quite interesting. As you can see right here, 95% human and 5% AI. So this has passed the test. Originality AI is another AI detector tool, and this is another tool we are going to try with a humanized test from BypassGPT. So let's go over to BypassGPT and copy the humanized test to the right hand side. So I'm going to copy this and let's test it on Originality AI. So I'm going to click on detect AI content, and then we are going to paste in the humanized test from BypassGPT down here, and then we're going to click on scan now and let's see what we get. So it's scanning. You can see right here the scan is complete and we have 96% original content and 0% plagiarism. That is quite interesting. This only means that BypassGPT is doing its work to humanize the text generated by ChatGPT. Another tool I'm going to try in this video is CopyLeaks, and what we're going to do is paste in the humanized text from BypassGPT. So I'm going to paste it right here, and then we can click on scan and let's see what happens. So it's working right now, and yeah, we are done. And you can see right here AI content is 0%, and you can see human text is 100%. So you have seen how important the BypassGPT tool is, but how much does it really cost? So right here you can see that you can get a basic plan for $12 per month, and that will give you about 5,000 words per month. And I think this is quite enough for you to do whatever you have to do. And if you just have to use it for one time, you can unsubscribe after you are done. And you also get a 3-day money back guarantee. So if you'd like to try out BypassGPT, you can visit their website bypassgpt.ai, or you can click on the link in the video description and comments below. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try BypassGPT, and I'll see you in my next video.